Yeah, this is regarding the WordPress error, which normally comes when the access is not available for the upload direction. The the error is unable to create directory FP content upload, and also it shows is its parent directory writable by the server in the WordPress. So this is the error, and let us see how to fix it. So for it, I am moving to my working websites. This one. See this one. I'm using the site. Okay, so now these are the images I want to change. Let's say any one of it I want to change. This is my website, and let's say I want to change this image. Okay, so I'm going here, and this is service 3 for which I want to change the image. So I will say upload image, and I will go to upload file. I will select the file. This sheet I want to upload. So see, unable to create directory under this, and the same error it is prompting. Okay, so how to solve it? To solve this, we need to go to our hosting directory, and we need to configure one file. So here is my cPanel. Under the cPanel, you have to move to the folder public_html, and under there is a file named it as config. This one, wp config php, and just edit it. So you need to move to the end of this, and here line number 102, this one, this line, please check according to your WP file, but it should be above WP debug. Define WP underscore debug comma false. Here I have to paste. I already prepared it. This one, this line I need to copy, and I have to prepare upload it over here. So you just save it. This is saved. What is the next step? Next, we again move to our website. Here we will refresh once again, and then again I want to upload image. I will go to here and service 3, and here I will go to the upload, and I will go upload files. I will go to select file, and this image I want to upload. See, this is ready and uploaded, and then we will say insert. So this is replaced. So this is the solutions for the error. The error is where you were unable to upload your content images in the WordPress website. This is a way to do it. Hopefully you like it. Please share your comment, and thank you so much